Hello there, I'm really excited to have a chat about the very practical DB Essential Tote 12 liters. So, let's get into the details. My journey with this bag started with its delivery. DB Journey did a fantastic job. The items were carefully packaged in a strong box, ensuring they arrived in perfect condition. The delivery speed was beyond what I expected. I chose the Fogbow Beige color, and the bag offers a good capacity of 12 liters. The choice of materials is something DB Journey prides itself on, and it's evident in the bag's strong build. A notable point is that it's claimed to fit laptops up to 16 inches, even though it doesn't have a decent laptop compartment. The straps are well designed, finding a balance between practical and looks. You can carry the bag on your shoulder or by hand. The bag features two small compartments without zippers on the inside, and also has an external zippered pocket to help you stay organized. To sum it up, the DB Journey tote bag combines practicality and style. It avoids unnecessary decorations but complements other accessories perfectly. I recommend it to those who want a practical bag with classy features, although it might not replace your main backpack and is on the pricier side. Thanks a lot for being here with me as I talked about the DB Essential Tote 12 liters.